Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Touch ID on the Tchibo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this last button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on settings at the top and click on biometric sign in, and then you should tap on the accept button to allow the app to have access to your Touch ID, and then you should place your fingerprint to your in order to scan your Touch ID. And as you can see, it has been enabled. So if you want to turn off the biometric authentication, just simply go back to this section and tap on this button, and then it will be turned off automatically. But as you turn it on, you would be required to use your Touch ID when you open the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.